be the person I am today without these two, and I can't wait to enjoy more life together. Now, if everyone can please raise your glass. Here's a toast to the high school sweethearts and the perfect couple, to a long life together filled with happiness, success, and everlasting love.
Gaby y Alexa, by the grace of God and the gift of the Holy Spirit and the consent you have exchanged, you have become man and wife. I present to you Mr. and Mrs. Rigueiro. Venga.
Stop, it's funny.
In the trust of Jesus Christ and in the love that you have for each other, that's why you guys are stuck together. So this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I finally got my son, brother. I finally got my son. Yeah! I finally got him.
I would want to continue to take on this crazy journey of life. I've never been more sure about anything in my entire life. Whatever else God has in store for us, just bring it on. I know that together we can climb every mountain.
That was good. That was better than mine.